Everyday English Fluency. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English grammar, exploring 3 essential verbs: to be, to have, to do. These verbs form the foundation of English speaking and will help you express ideas, describe yourself, and engage in everyday conversations confidently. So let's get started. To begin, let's meet to be. This versatile verb helps us talk about identity, nationality, professions, and characteristics. In the simple present tense, we have am for I, is for he, she, it, are for you, we, they. For instance, I am a student, she is a doctor. They are friends. To be helps us describe who we are and the roles we play in life. Next up, let's explore to have. This verb enables us to express possession or ownership. When using to have in the simple present tense, we say have for I, you, we, they, and has for he, she, it. For example, I have a car, she has a pet dog. They have to siblings. To have helps us talk about the things we own or the things that belong to us. Lastly, we have to do. This versatile verb serves as the main verb in questions, negatives, and emphatic statements. In the simple present tense, we say do for I, you, we, they, and as for he, she, it. For instance, do you like chocolate? He doesn't play the guitar. I do love reading. To do helps us ask questions, form negatives, and emphasize actions. It's practice time. Let's try some more examples together. Share your responses in the comments, and let's see how well you're doing. Well done! Keep practicing and using these verbs in everyday conversations to boost your language skills further. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your English speaking journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language tips, interactive quizzes, and exciting content. Until next time, keep speaking and learning with confidence. Happy learning!